The Sammons Preston Buhl Spirometer replacement mouthpieces come in a pack of 500, making it a convenient and cost-effective option for screening large groups. This lightweight spirometer uses disposable mouthpieces for easy and hygienic use. The indicator needle on the spirometer records forced vital capacity up to 7 liters and remains at the peak reading until reset. This makes it a useful tool for monitoring respiratory function and progress. Additionally, the spirometer can be used as an incentive exerciser for clients with respiratory dysfunction, helping them improve their lung function and overall health. Weighing only 6 ounces, this spirometer is portable and easy to use in a variety of settings. Overall, the Sammons Preston Buhl Spirometer replacement mouthpieces are a practical and efficient option for respiratory screening and therapy.